can tell when I'm going over bumps and everything, the front will hit hard, but the rear is nice and smooth.
Yeah.
It's crazy.
I think it's the air filter. I think it's the air filter. On me, for me, it's making my engine act different.
Oh, mine, when I let go of my throttle, I'll hear a popping noise.
Yeah, that's what I'm doing. That's what was freaking me out. It's like pop, pop, pop.
I might need to. That means it's lean, right?
Well, it could mean both.
Okay.
It depends on what your spark plug looks like or what it smells like and all that stuff. This is Caesar with Small Engine Velocity coming at you with a motovlog, and as you can probably tell, we are following my brother's custom rear frame Ruckus with the cool little seat. Of course, the taillight's still zipped on, but all the other stuff, and it's street legal. Yay, street legal.
Well, everything except for my light on my license plate, but we'll fix that here shortly.
Well, technically, you got through the inspection, and they passed you without that light on your license plate, so probably shouldn't have done that. If you probably can't tell by just looking at it, look how much he bounces, and how much his rear shock is absorbing, and you can see it tilting and everything. I love that center mount. So what have you done on it since the last time? Well, actually, the last time they saw you, you did the test ride.
Yep.
Yeah, the test ride. Anything different or new since then?
So other than that, we had put the seat on, the pan seat. So that was a hard decision because I was trying to figure out if I wanted to use an original seat, but I wanted to change it up a little bit. So I had to weld some tabs up for that, and just kind of get the fitment right. Added the foot pegs, and did just a lot of like the small things just to get it running and making it street legal. That was my main thing, was just get it out on the street so I can start riding it.
Today he finished a baby kickstand on the CVT, and it's not like the ones you normally see. This one actually has a foot on it, and it sticks out a little bit. It's kind of cool. We'll see it when we reach vintage. But I like how it, I mean, it's centered. His seat, his rear shock bounces, right? And his seat bounces. I think the only thing that kind of gives him a little bit of a hard time is the front shock. I don't know. Yeah. I don't know of anything in the Ruckus world for a front shock that's softer at all.
Because I'll go over a bump and I'll hit it, and the front will just kind of jolt, and then I'll go over it with the rear end, and it's just kind of smooth.
Yeah. By the way, the reason we're taking the back road to vintage is because the other side of the railroad tracks I can't cross because I'm so low. This side I can. See? No problems. Yeah,
so one thing I'm thinking about changing is, we were talking with Caesar about the handlebar. I might try to find one that has a little bit more curve to it to kind of get me a little bit more upright rather than me leaning over so much. So I want to test it out to see if I like that.
We should go straight, turn right on 249 and go to vintage from there.
Okay.
Just so we have a little bit of runway for that one part.
I don't know if that. Oh, hey, how do you like my...
Oh yeah, his battery box doesn't have screws.
I need to get those tabs so it can hold the screws, but right now we have some painter's tape holding it right now.
Painter's tape. That's professional grade painter's tape.
Oh, I do have a key.
Oh yeah, he's got a key, that's right.
I have a key now, so I can actually ride it somewhere and not fear somebody stealing it.
Yeah.
That guy's looking at us like, what the heck are those?
Thank you, Ruck City, for the recommendation on the harness piece for the back of the key.
Oh yeah.
That worked out. That worked out great.
finally were able to find something, so appreciate it, Fuzzy and Lee.
I had to give them a little bit of a show. There we go. See, look. We're very powerful. I feel like we have Napoleon complexes, like these little tiny bikes trying to go real fast.
I think the fastest I've gotten it so far is like 47. So on the access road here, I want to go ahead and see what I can do.
Now,
maybe hit 50.
Be aware, it's a little bit of a upgrade hill towards the towards vintage because of that bridge. But I mean, you can wide open it.
Oh yeah.
Alan, my brother gave me a new filter that's foam, a thicker foam, and I put it on here, and now my motor seems to be backfiring weird, so I probably have to do a little bit of adjustment on the carb.
I mean, for the most part, our engine setups are pretty much the same, right?
Right, we have the same carb, motor, BBK, everything, even the cam. Well, no, do you have a cam?
Oh, no, I don't.
Okay, the only difference is I have an A12 cam and you don't have an A12 cam. Apart from that, and the things that hold it onto the bike,
yeah,
they're very different. All right, here we go. Ooh.
All right, let's see how it goes.
I'm position 1. Coming through. Left side. Woo! Oh shoot, Jeep.
Did you hear my popping?
Yeah.
Wow, this thing's really smooth.
Yeah, that's
we should
like,
try. We should switch on the way back. See what you think.
oh yeah, that's right.
Now we have to go back the other way because I'm not familiar with how low yours is, but you say it's probably better to go the other way.
Well, I mean, you could go that way. Just when we go, you know how when we're coming back, there's two sides of the road. There's the right side closer to the car wash and the other side. If you go across on the left side, then you're better. You can go across there.
Well, you might want to try it so you can see what it feels like on this.
Maybe you'll see a different frame on my bike sooner or later.
Yeah.
On the back.
Version 2.
So, also, at the same time, he has pretty much a stock variator and a heavy clutch and an old belt and everything. Right. An old belt and everything, so it's not the same when we did that. And I don't even think he has the sliders in there right now, do you?
No.
Yeah, so
all the sliders that I bought him with.
Yeah, the old ones that are inside of there.
We don't even know what sliders we have in here right now.
No, have we even taken it apart?
No.
I don't remember taking it apart. I feel poppy.
Yep.
You know what I have noticed since I put this filter on though? That my butt isn't vibrating as much. Maybe it fixed some of my alignment issues with my air fuel.
Take the left over here.
Right here? Back in?
Yeah. Yep. We'll just go in this parking lot here.
Oh, I gotta be careful. There. This is where I usually do filming.
Really?
Yeah, this is. I don't know if you've ever watched some of the videos, but this is where I do a lot of like reveals and stuff. Maybe in the shade. So it's hot.
Yeah.
Oh shoot. I'm at 5% gas.
Oh, I think that should be enough.
6. Oh, it's because I was rocking it around. Look, it's at 8%. Oh, now
up to 55, I think.
Now it's back down to 6%, and then 5. So there it is. So of course, yeah, some of the wires are still wrapped around and stuff, but like, you know, now that it's street legal and he can ride it around, he can get some of the test rides in. He has this dry carbon fiber cover down here.
That's what I think came with it, though.
Yeah. Exhaust is on.
Get it painted.
Yeah.
See what it looks like.
Yeah.
Oh, did you see here? I put a spacer. So just pull it out a little bit further.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
That's right. He had to put pegs in here. And in order for him to put pegs, he doesn't have the stock rear frame that has the holes, so he put it in the front frame piece, which actually is kind of better because he can put his foot pegs a little bit more forward because he's got long legs and he can't put it too close under him or he'll fold up too much.
I do want this to shift a little bit further back. If I could just get it maybe another inch back, I think it'll pull my position up a little bit.
Is this 7/8 all the way?
No, that's actually
one.
Yeah, I think
that's oh, so it's tapered.
Yeah.
So you'll have to look for a tapered bar. Is this a pass? Yeah, that's right. It's password JDM. So you have to get the tapered one.
So I'm actually going to get a whole new set of tires too now. That's going to be tough because you can tell. That's why I don't want to take it too fast. There's some. It already has a little bit of dry rot, so.
I mean,
it's going to be something done soon.
And then you got the headlight working. And I got my headlight working.
I like the style of yours better than what mine looks like.
I'm glad that I powder coated my front frame now.
Yeah.
the triple tree, because before it was. Now it feels like there's something different here, so I think maybe I'm gonna cut a piece of metal that goes across here.
Cool.
Like, and put, I don't know, small engine velocity or a logo or something, I don't know.
Or you could put your turn signals in that little piece of metal.
Oh yeah, right here and here.
You can have it like on the side. Oh, that would be cool.
Yeah.
And then you could hide the wire behind
like
it.
Right here? Or on here?
Put it between here.
Oh yeah.
Make it like and then even wrap it a little bit or something, or put an angle.
Yeah.
Maybe your signal light.
Yeah.
You can do that.
Let's see. I've never had front signal lights ever. Ever.
It would be nice. I think it would be nice, especially for me.
Yeah.
I feel like people looking at me, they're like, where's he going to go? But behind me, you can tell. Cool.
Okay. Well.
4.43 miles.
Yeah.
I haven't also, I want to also look at my distance and see how far I'm.
We'll record the way back a different video because I want to solve this gas thing first, because it says 8%. That's not enough.
Make it home?
Well, okay, so considering when I put when I adjusted the float, the 0 is when the thing is sitting on the bottom of the tank.
Why don't we just go to
we'll go to HEB. Oh, I forgot my wallet.
I have mine.
Do they take Apple Pay at the pump?
Okay, I'll fill mine up too.
Okay. All right, guys. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. We'll get another video with me riding on it, and we can see how we feel about it, and then kind of give you a little bit more of a first-person view. But anyways, thank you, and we'll see you in the next video. Say bye.
Bye.